With a mix of modern tech and a classic heart, Triumph unleashes its highest spec, keyless, track-ready 2022 Triumph Speed Tripper 1200RR. Sporting a 1160cc inline-3 power plant producing 177 horsepower at 10,750 RPM and 125 Nm of torque at 9,000 RPM through a 6-speed bi-directional quick-shifter-enabled gearbox, a chain-finder drive, and managed by a ride-by-wire throttle. Triumph didn't create a machine, it created a beast. A 15.5-litre fuel tank and a claimed consumption of 15.9 km per litre gives the 2022 Speed Tripper 1200RR a potential range of 246 km. We found its real-world consumption to be 15.1 km per litre with mixed and quite a bit of spirited riding. Can you blame us? The 2022 Triumph Speed Tripper 1200RR rolls along a 17-inch cast aluminium front rim wrapped by a Pirelli Diablo Supercorsa SP V3 tyre. In the rear is a similar sized rear rim also wrapped by a Pirelli Diablo Supercorsa SP V3 tyre. The braking department is managed by dual 320mm floating rotors and dual 4-piston Brembo Stalima monoblock calipers in the front. In the rear is a single 220mm rotor and a single 2-piston Brembo caliper. The rider is assisted by Triumph's adjustable optimized cornering ABS, adjustable optimized cornering traction control, cruise control, and the latest generation wheelie control. Keeping your bum in the seat and more importantly, the wheels of the 2022 Triumph Speed Tripper 1200RR in contact with the road are a fully electronically adjustable upside-down Öhlins front fork and a semi-electronically adjustable rear Öhlins monoshock. Preload adjustability is manual and requires a C-spanner or a through shank slot screwdriver and a hammer. Ouch. A 5-inch full-color TFT screen provides all information the rider will need. It supports Bluetooth connectivity with Triumph's My Triumph Connectivity app, GoPro Control, and supports 5 riding modes: Rain, Road, Sport, Track, and a rider configurable option. A full LED lighting package comes dressed on the 2022 Speed Tripper 1200RR. An LED headlight with daytime running lights, an LED tail light, and LED signal lights. Regular servicing is every 16,000 kilometers with 3.3 liters of engine oil and an oil filter replacement. Major servicing for a valve clearance inspection is every 32,000 kilometers. Amos is 1.84 meters tall, with a seat height of 830 millimeters and a curb weight of 198.7 kilos. Let us show you how he looks on the bike. He's got a very aggressive forward posture. This 2022 Triumph Speed Tripper 1200RR is designed as a single-seater machine. The pillion cowl is removable with a size 4 Allen key. With a weight of 76 kilos, the semi-electronically adjustable mono rear shock held up. Very okay! With a height of 1.9 meters, MJ, our guest from 333's Motorcyclist Telegram group, wants to show you how he looks on the bike. Thank you, MJ. The turning radius of the bike is average for its class. In our opinion, the 2022 Triumph Speed Tripper 1200RR is a fun one. mainly in the mid to high rev. We felt that the 2022 Speed Tripper 1200RR was made to be ridden hard, and that's where she performed. The ride was tight and precise with super elastic pulls up the rev range. We found the quick shifter, as with all quick shifters we tried, to be a little clumsy in the low rev, but was snappy, precise, and instant from the mid. We found ourselves using the quick shifter more than the clutch throughout our test. Very okay! The rider seat was comfortable and had ample support for the rider. We didn't notice any slips when we got a little throttle happy. The brakes had excellent feedback, excellent feel, and were bitey. Brembo. The suspension system, although firm, had enough give to provide a relatively comfortable ride. Having electronic adjustments means you get to dial the shocks in on the fly. Very okay! We like how the 2022 Speed Tripper 1200RR sounded. Let's have a listen. Nice ride! We like the carbon fiber essence all around the Speed Tripper 1200RR. Not too much, not too little, just right. We felt that there was quite a bit of vibration on the handlebar at highway speeds.
Huh? Vibration ah?
Padded grips are available if this bothers you. We noticed some indirect heat at stop-go city and highway riding. Most of the heat quickly dissipated, but some lingered on. Considering our hot and humid climate, not so okay. But we were kept cool with the help of the 333 balaclava. Get your 333 swag at our merchant stores. Overall, the 2022 Speed Tripper 1200RR is one heck of a performance machine that comes in at 46,700 Singapore dollars before COE and insurance. We wouldn't recommend it for newer riders even with its rider assist electronics. But if you must, exercise caution. She packs a serious punch. Experienced riders can expect a thrilling, heart-pumping, adrenaline-inducing ride in the streets or at the track. But she sacrifices rider comfort. The riding posture is very aggressive and sees the rider take weight on his or her arms. This is especially true for taller riders. Maybe not an everyday ride? We received the 2022 Speed Tripper 1200RR from Triumph Singapore, but as with all our reviews, they do not have control over our content, allowing us to bring you through an unbiased opinions. With that, I'm Winston and see you on the road.